So my paper name is Machine Learning Based on Heart Disease Prediction System. So here we are the collecting the sample of data and making such a machine to product the collecting data by using the machine learning different technology to give the diagnosis of heart disease. And I am getting report of that different sampling of data to identify the current disease. And so this product will be used in a small hospital to big hospital. Okay, so these are the agenda for the my papers, that is introduction, motivation, objective, and so far. So in introductions, heart attack disease is one of the leading cause of death worldwide. So in the modern life, death is due to the heart disease and had become a major issue. That roughly one person is lost or his her life in a 1 minute or in a 1 second also. So in this system, user needs to all the symptoms which is suffering from like a BP, sugar, thyroids, and all we are collecting the sample of data. So by using the machine learning technology, we are giving the accuracy and the frequency of that disease. Some like a random methods, then support vector method. So it will be give the accuracy of that disease. So these are the different literature review that some papers are published in this system. So for now, those are we are getting that 80% or 85% the accuracy of project. When we selecting the sample of data, suppose we are selecting the sample of data in decreasing amount, so we are getting the efficiency or frequency in large amount. So here we are selecting a such a model, like we are adding the number of features, and after that we are getting the large number of accuracy. And here in problem statement, the major challenges in heart disease, it is the detections. There is an instrument is available which can the predict heart disease, but the either it is expensive or not efficient. So like we are in our market, like MRI and other machines are available, but in that machines the some peoples are not able to spend the money to detect the whole body. So we are creating such a product that it will be useful for the in small hospital also, in a large hospital also. So however it is the possible to monitor patient every day, it can cases accurately and consistent of patient in 24 hours. So it is a good amount of data in today world. We are using the various machine learning and deep learning technology to hidden the data patterns and detecting the heart disease. Then next slide is our the motivation. To overcome this, we are implementing the Navy based SVM, that is support vector machine algorithm, then random forest algorithm, in order to achieve correct result in a less time. So machine learning will give the major priority in modern life in many applications. Prediction of one of the area is a machine learning. Our topic is predicting the heart disease by using the patient data set. That is a different data set, BP, then ECG graph, then also thread set, CPS. These are the different the factors we are using in heart disease prediction. After that, the objective of the project, that is a heart disease effect of functionality of heart. So WHO Work Health Organization had made the survey and made a conclusion of 1,000 people will affected due to the heart disease and lost their lives. So the problem is that the healthcare industry face the today's life is early prediction of disease after the person is affected. It's not the before affected. So we are showing that in our product also. So record of medical history is very large and data in real world might be incomplete or inconsistent. So the past prediction of disease effectively and treatment to patient might not be possible for the every patient in early stage. So we are producing this product. So these are the different heart disease, like high blood pressure, then stroke, then sometimes the coronary are failed, then aortic disease, then peripheral arterial disease. So these are the impacting the different in heart parts. But we are not identifying without any detections of data like in ECG. So we are collecting the sample of data, and with the help of sample of data, normal doctors will also identify the which heart disease will be predicted here. Then next one is a utility of research. The working of systems start with the collection of data and selecting the attribute when the required data in pre-processed into the required format. So data is divided into two parts, that is the training part and testing part. The algorithms are applied modeled to train using the training data, and the accuracy of system is identified by testing the using testing data. So data says collection is a collecting data which contain patient details and attribute selection details. That is the different classifiers, that is collection of data set, selection of attributes, data pre-processing, balancing of data, and disease prediction. So these are the flow chart which we are using in program, that is the collection of patient details, that is different details like blood pressure, sugar, then features like ECG that affected on the heart disease. So we are collecting the data set. After the data processing, it gives the different machine learning. We are applying the different machine learning algorithm, that is SVM, Navy Bayes, then decision tree, random forest algorithm. So it will be give the efficiency and accuracy of that disease. So one of the that random forest method, we are giving the efficiency that is 90% to diagnosis of heart disease. So this is the prediction of heart system and measure the accuracy. Then research methodology, these are the different algorithms which you used. That is the Navy Bayes algorithm is supervised learning algorithm, classify that is the high dimension training data set. It will be set the high dimension data. So then next one is a SVM algorithm. It is create decision boundary that segregate the dimensional place into the classes of. So we will easily put the new data point in future. So decision boundary is called as a hyperplane, and it is a both of classification and regression. Suppose we have to add the different type of data. Suppose we collecting the 300 people's data, and in future we need to collect the 2 months history from the any hospitals, that is the some peoples are 1000 or maybe in 2000. So we are collecting in data in that format. Then random forest algorithm is the machine learning algorithms. It comes under the supervisory learning technology, and it is also used for the regression and classification of program. That is the main part is the it gives the highest point of accuracy in heart disease with the help of the parameters. Here in accuracy of machine learning, these are the getting the different machine learning algorithms with the different accuracy of the heart disease. So by using image processing, we are also detecting the heart. So it will be beneficial to which part is diagnosed or not. So here we are collecting the different accuracy by the algorithm. SVM is getting 85.5%, logistic algorithm is 81%, then the boost algorithm, X boost algorithm is 85%, then Navy Bayes algorithm is 82%, then decision tree is 75%, and random forest method is giving the 90% accuracy. So we here we are comparing the by using the different algorithms, which one is giving the most and large efficiency. So we are using further this method for the another technology, like to detecting the signals of heart. Then next one is a advantage. The main advantage is detecting the different heart disease using the machine learning. Then minimum cost with high efficiency model, because this model will use in small hospital also, in large hospital also. By the collecting of data, we are creating such a machine that so doctor will suppose if the any doctor is unexperienced about the heart disease, so it will be when we entering the data set in our machine, so it will be automatically detect the which disease will be diagnosed for that person or for that patient. So it will be beneficial. We did not need to go for the big hospital or experienced doctor to ask you what is the main disease or something like that. So data collecting from the previous record time is consuming also, and also we are sending the data from the one hospital to another hospital also by using the machine learning technology. So these are the different parameters that we are using, that age, CP, thirst, BPS, coal, FES, REST, ECG. Then these are the different feature which are we are using in a report. That is when we take a heart image processing, or in the MRI also, we are getting these different parameters. Yeah.
Ma'am, can you please finish it as
Yeah.
there are lots.
Yes. Yes. It's only 2 slides is there now.
Okay.
Yeah, so it's a we are detecting the different heart disease. So in a future scope, uh, the user is affected by the disease, all the family members will be notified the message in earlier, and also the information should be passed to the nearest hospital. And another feature is there should be the online doctor consultation with the nearest hospital is available. Suppose we have to do the detection in foreign also and in our India also, so it will be by using the machine learning we can transfer the data and we can detect the which disease is diagnosed. Then the machine learning is using the various algorithm to utilize not only the disease prediction diagnosis but also the radiology, bioinformation and medical image diagnosis. So the conclusion of the project, that is 7 different machine learning technology which is used, that is SVM, the decision tree, random forest algorithm, logistic algorithm, XBoot algorithm for the different data. So expected attributes leading the heart disease in patient are available in dataset, which is contain the 76 features. 14 features are the importance by, to identify the efficiency of the future. So it is the increasing efficiency to attribute the selection is done, and if it is young in future, so it will be selected model of the more efficiency. So by using the random forest method, we are getting the 90% efficiency. And these are the reference which we used to study this paper or in project. So thank you all of you.
So, is there any question from the audience side? No, there is no question. So, thank you, ma'am, for
Yeah,
presentation.
yeah, thank you.